A quick video of my room. Bathroom doors open. These are all of the plants, starting with the old allocation. One of the two bird of paradise I bought from Walmart. The variegated fig. The bird of paradise I got from Home Depot. Banana tree in the back. The other weeping fig. I don't know where I got that one from, but the first one, this variegated one, I got this. Let's see if it'll let me do it. This one I got from Callaway's on a reduced. Like I said, that of course is my original allocation. Okay, and here we go. Over there, the other weeping fig. I forgot where I got it from. The twin to the bird of paradise I got from Walmart. The second allocation that I got from Home Depot when I got that bird of paradise. Oh, and here is that bird of paradise. So then up there, it's a plant I got from Linda next door. Then next to it, this is that pothos that was growing up the window and nearly died. Then Queen Creeping Charlie back there in the background. And then the Plumeria. And then assorted citronella, not citronella, gardenia, what you call it plant, Swiss cheese, but from the Time Swap. And my new philodendron Birkin back there in the background. And as we go around, spider mix, some stuff in the window you can see. The aglonema, the Brazil, oh my God, I can't think of the name of that plant in the background. The another pothos and another plant which is, can't think of that one. And then of course the snake plant in the background. There's some marjoram there as well. So this is it. This is the bedroom. One bird of paradise there from Walmart. And then the other bird of paradise there.